Welcome, foolish mortals, to another card collecting video. Today we have the Blizzard Legacy Collection trading cards. Collect the Horde and the Molten Core Parallels. So these are from Upper Deck, based on, I would assume, just Warcraft. I'm not actually sure. Plus, I haven't played Warcraft in so long, I might not even know any of the characters. This is not a card game as far as I know. No, it is not. And because they're Upper Deck, they will have different levels. Cassia. Oh, this is Heroes of the Storm, so it's everything Blizzard. Okay. Overwatch, Mercy. Hearthstone, Lady Vasha. This is the cube. Oh, that's cool. It's like it's a punch out. Cool. This is Diablo. Nice. StarCraft. Alexei Strelkov from StarCraft. That is Warcraft. The writing's too small on these. I can't read them on the front. You're just going to have to bear with me while I get them. This is also Warcraft, I believe. See if we can get this to focus. Hearthstone. Rock and Roll Racing. Don't know what that means. Huh, I don't remember that game. That's going to be Diablo. Oh no, Heroes of the Health Storm, okay. Storm Rage. Warcraft. Gul'dan. Warcraft. Banleen. Kind of cool. StarCraft. And Storm Rage. Warcraft. There are 7 packs per box and 8 cards per pack. So I picked these up at Target the other day. Let's do this. This is Diablo. Cool. Jintarg. Andriel. StarCraft Drone. Heroes of the Storm, Storm Rage. Hearthstone, Gul'dan. Cool. Hearthstone, Lorana. Greymane, Heroes of the Storm. Okay. These are nice art cards. Nothing I need to buy any more of, but they are nice. Warcraft, Doomhammer. Nice. Warcraft, Rexar. Diablo, RL. Chin Storm Snout, Warcraft. I think this was the last game I played, was the panda one. Murky? Cool. I have thought about playing again. What do you guys think? Should I start Warcraft back up again? Necrofizzle. Tracer. I played for a lot of years. And I kind of got out of it. I kind of stopped playing video games altogether until the boys and me found like Diablo and stuff like that. Okay. Whisperwind. Varian Minjik. Finlay, StarCraft. Tessadar, StarCraft. Cool. Oh, neat. What's this? Cool. Art of Samwise. Neat. Pariah, Overwatch. Ambuk. And RPM Racing. I do remember this game. I had this. That was a fun game. Boy, this goes all the way back. Two packs left. Black Hand, Warcraft. Probe, StarCraft. Wildhammer, Warcraft. Raynor. Cool. Overwatch, Anna. Overwatch Echo. Elsa Starseeker. I take it Heroes of the Storm is just people from everything. Sergeant Hammer. All right, last pack. Leia from Diablo. Uther Lightbringer, Warcraft. Anaris, Diablo. Zergling from StarCraft. Gul'dan, Warcraft. Bronzebeard. Thrall from Hearthstone. And last is Ashi from Overwatch. So these are fine. They're totally fine for, being art cards. I don't think they were worth the $29 the box was, but what can I say? So more cards coming up, starting lineup, some other figures and stuff I've picked up recently. But until then, catch you guys on the flip side.